ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இன்றைக்கி ஒரு மினி ஃபார்ம் டூர் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். என்னோடய சன் வந்து ரொம்ப அடம் முடிச்சு இந்த வீடியோவை மேக் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அதில் என்னோடய டாட்டர் அங்கே இங்கே வந்து பேசியிருப்பாங்க. இந்த வீடியோ பார்த்துட்டு எப்படி இருந்துன்னு சொல்லுங்கள்.
Hi, I am Hemant. We are seeing our farming area. This is our Bengaluru tomato. Let's see some other plants. Okay. This is brinjal plant. See, இது பேர் அவரைக்கானா எனக்கு தெரியாது. இப்போ நான் உங்களுக்கு நாட்டு தக்காளி காமிக்கிறேன். இங்கே தான் இருக்கு பாருங்க, நாட்டு தக்காளி. ஓகே, this is called as papaya. This is our spinach. This plant, this is flower plant, jasmine flower. Okay, now we are seeing one type of bean. I don't know that. What beans is this? See, very tasty. Lin beans. Okay, we are seeing banana. This is red banana. In Tamil we are saying chaval. Yes. Okay. We see some other plants. There are two types of avaraka, not avaraka. Not avaraka, not chedi avaraka, kodi avaraka in Tamil. Now we see our farming area. Okay, see how it is beautiful brinjal.
Come here, this
I think it is tasty.
tomato.
This is my sister. She is very torturing. Sister, she is very torturing. This is very cool. Okay. We are seeing my banana tree. Let's come with me. See this, how water. I don't know. I know in Tamil only. The name was Kenal. See, this are groundnut plant. Okay. See, this is coconut tree. And this is neem tree. And this is mango tree. Okay, let's see papaya. See this papaya. Okay, this is our rice plant. See how, and that is our rice plant. That is also. Okay. This is mango tree. How it hides. See? Okay. Now we are seeing pumpkin. How big is? Okay. Now we are seeing small pumpkin. How it's small. After a few days, we harvest this pumpkin. Okay, see one more pumpkin. Here also, so many pumpkins are in this pumpkin plant. I am also seeing now only this pumpkin are grow. After a few days, this is a lemon tree.